Welcome aboard. In this video, I'm starting to cut out the muslin cloth for a pair of muslin jeans. The red paper is my pattern for the front left outside of this pair of jeans. Here, I've got a red line, and that's 3 inches from that edge to there. And I'm going to make it 3 inches all the way around. And the reason I'm doing that is because this template, when I cut the cloth to exactly this size of template, or even with a 1/2 inch or inch seam allowance, the pants are too tight. I can't wear them. I tried putting them on the first 2 or 3 pairs of muslin pants that I had put together, jeans that I had put together, and they tore going on. They ripped because they were too tight and too small. So now I'm doing a 3-inch line outside of that template, and I should end up with muslin jeans that are slightly baggy, and then I'll have enough cloth that once I put them on, I can pin them and trim them to fit. That's the concept here. So that's why I'm doing this. As you know, pants, jeans, whether they're made out of muslin or denim, are hard to make. It's fun, but it's certainly not one day's work. It's a bit of work, and I'm still figuring it out as I go along, but this is a good start. So here's the initial clip to this video, getting ready to cut out some cloth with a 3-inch oversize from my template. Probably at some, probably I'll make a newer template, but not today. I've got these ones. They're already put together and cut, so I'll modify on that. So that's what I'm doing. Welcome aboard. So now I have the red 3-inch line all marked out all the way around, and I can pull that down, and we see that it's also marked out down at this end. These red lines are going to be my cut lines. So here I'm already starting using the rotary cutter to make the first cuts, and all I have to follow is the red line. I don't have to line anything up on the cutting mat or anything like that, so it's really simple, very straightforward. So this curve up here that I've made a cut right there, that is for the pocket. So that's the pocket, and I made this cut just using the scissors because it was very simple to do that. Now I've got this side all lined up on the cutting mat, and I'm going to put the square on that red line, kind of like that, and I'm going to go over to this part right here, and I'm going to cut along there, right along here. When cutting with the rotary cutter, I try to keep the blade very perpendicular to the table so that I don't push the square, the ruler, so I don't push it out of alignment. Cool. It's coming together by coming apart. So the progress I've made so far is that I've got this side all cut. Like I was saying, I've got this side cut, now I've got this cut. Now I'm going to start on the crotch fly zipper area. Go down and do that, and you can see that red line. That's my red line there now that I've got to follow. So here I'm able to use the small square to make the cut from here up to there, from there down to here, and then I'll have to do that little bit of curve and straight as I go into the crotch down here. So there we have it. There is the left front panel, and that is the good side, the outside. That took over an hour, probably well over an hour, but felt good to cut a pant panel. So here is the finished product. The left front outside, good side, pant leg. And what I'm going to do now is just turn this over and line that up correctly like that. And this is the front left pant leg, the back side, the inside, the reverse side. And what I'm going to do is trace this out with the fabric pen, and that will become the right front outside. So that's what I'm going to get going doing using the fabric marker and just pattern it out that way, outline it out that way. So I've made all my red marks, cutting marks. I've outlined the left front pant leg that I'm using as a template or a pattern. So now I can remove that, and then I can cut that right front pant leg out, and then I'll have the left front and the right leg, and then I can cut the zipper, the fly zipper pieces, and I can start with putting the front right and left panels together with the zipper and the fly. So I may or may not show you all the cutting out I do here. You saw me cut it out on the first part of the video, so I won't show you me cutting all of this right leg out, but that's what I'm going to do. You understand what I'm already going to do. So this is the end of this video for now. I'll show you once I get it cut out. I'll show you one more little clip of that, and then that'll be the end of this video coming up soon. Now here's the last bit of cutting that I'm doing on the front right leg panel. I've already done the rest of it that I didn't film, but I thought I'd just film this finishing up bit. There we go. Done the front and right leg panels. So there it is. There's both of them there. So that's the end of the video. Thanks for visiting. Make sure you have fun, take care of yourselves, stay safe, and we'll chat soon. See you next time. Adios, amigos.